Hey, business leaders, Mike here with another tech tip. Did you know Microsoft 365 Copilot can help your team save hours every week by automating repetitive tasks and improving collaboration? Now, today, I'll share a tip to help your business get more done in less time. All right, here's the tip. Use Copilot to streamline workflows and focus on high value work. Step 1, automate repetitive tasks. Start by identifying tasks your team does repeatedly, like writing reports or meeting summaries, drafting emails or responses, generating data insights from spreadsheets. Copilot can quickly create drafts, summarize content, and analyze data, freeing your team to focus on strategic work. Step 2, enhance collaboration. Copilot works directly in Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook. Teams can co-author documents faster, summarize chat threads and meetings, organize project information without manual effort. Step 3, train your team. Even the best tools need guidance. Show your team how to use Copilot for their daily workflows, review outputs for accuracy, combine AI suggestions with their expertise. Why it matters. Using Copilot effectively reduces manual work, speeds up decision making, and helps your team focus on the tasks that really drive business growth. So hey, if you're ready to stop losing hours to repetitive tasks and want Copilot actually working for your team, click the link below, book your call, and let's map out how to put it to work for your business.